As you can see, I'm not in the shop this afternoon. I'm doing a little bit of home renovation and I've got some holes and some drywall to fix. I thought if anybody had a similar problem, this is an easy way to go ahead and fix something like that. Thanks for joining us. Alright, you can see the hole that we have to patch in the drywall here, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to how to do that. What we're going to do is start off with a screw gun. We've got 2 drywall screws, we've got a piece of wood, and we've got some rope. Of course, always wear your safety glasses. What we're going to do is pre-start these sheetrock screws. I've taken a piece of wood, left myself a couple of inches on either side of the hole, and I've marked the center line. What I'm going to do is fish this up inside with the rope around it. And with the mark in place, estimate the center line of the hole, and we'll drive our drywall screws in, keeping pressure on the rope. We're done. Just take the rope out, and now you've got a backing for the patch to go in. Thing you do, cut your patch. Go ahead and fit it up. Take your drywall screws. Fit it up. Just ready for a skim coat, some tape, and a finish job. Hope this helped you.